Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making this llama, and as you can see, Steve's riding it, and Mr. Brawley is walking the llama. So let's get started, and I'm going to take a look. Now that we're done taking all of these apart, I'm going to show you what the pieces. So we have these black 2x2s, these blue 1x2s, sorry, and we have these 2x2 slopes. And we have these 1x2 tiles. And we have these 1x2s, sorry again. And we have this 2x2. And we have lots of 2x2s here. One white 2x2, two 2x2s, three 2x2s, and four 2x2s. And we have this 1x2 flat piece, and we have this 2x2 green piece, and we have this 2x6 green. So now let's start building it. First, we'll take this 2x6 and we take this 2x2 and put it on the 2x6, and then we keep adding them up. You can pick any color because that's what I did. Until this part, you put the 2x2 on the edge. And then put this. And then you put the white piece on the green. And then you see there's nothing here. So what do we put there? And then you put this blue piece and then you put this blue piece right here. So I'm gonna have to take the head off because I can't really do it. And now we're done. That's all for today. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. See you next time. Bye.